Unlock the secrets to doubling your Fiverr affiliate earnings with these game-changing strategies. Are you making these common mistakes? Stay tuned to transform your clicks into cash effortlessly. Imagine you've just launched an exciting promotional campaign for Fiverr affiliate links. You're sharing these links across various platforms, your blog, social media, emails, hoping to see your affiliate earnings skyrocket. But how do you track which platform is bringing in the gold? Enter UTM parameters. These are simple tags you add to your URL to track the effectiveness of your online marketing efforts across analytics tools like Google Analytics. UTM parameters consist of 5 types, but today we're focusing on 3 crucial ones to get you started: source, medium, and campaign. Think of them as your affiliate campaign's GPS, guiding you to understand where your traffic comes from, how it gets to you, and why it's arriving. Firstly, UTM source. This tells you where your traffic originates. Is it from social media, an email newsletter, or your blog? For example, if you're posting a link on Twitter, your UTM parameter will look something like UTM source equals Twitter. Next up, UTM medium. This describes the channel your link was shared through. Was it a social media post, an email, or perhaps a banner ad? Using our Twitter example, it would be UTM source equals Twitter and UTM medium equals social media. Finally, we have UTM campaign. This parameter allows you to identify the specific campaign or promotion that directed the traffic. If you're promoting graphic design services, you might add UTM campaign equals graphic design services to your link. Putting it all together, a complete Fiverr affiliate link targeting users from Twitter for a graphic design campaign might look something like this: http://www.fiverr.com UTM source equals Twitter and UTM medium equals social media and UTM campaign equals graphic design services. This approach not only makes your marketing efforts more streamlined, but also gives you a clear picture of what's working and what's not. Now I have a question for you. In your experience, what's been the most challenging aspect of tracking your affiliate marketing success? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Integrating Google Analytics into your affiliate marketing strategy on Fiverr can be a game changer. Imagine having a crystal ball that not only tells you who's visiting your site, but also where they come from, what they're interested in, and whether they're taking the actions you want them to. That's essentially what Google Analytics offers. But how do you harness this power? Setting up a new property for tracking your Fiverr campaigns is your first step. This process begins in your Google Analytics account. Once you're logged in, you'll find an admin button typically located at the bottom left corner. Clicking on this takes you to a world of settings where you can create a new property. This is like staking your claim on a piece of the internet and telling Google, "Hey, watch this space for me, will you?" After following the prompts and filling out details about your website or app, you'll be given a unique tracking ID. This ID is like a digital fingerprint unique to your campaign. Adding this ID to your website begins the magic of data collection. Now for the really exciting part, viewing reports that break down traffic and conversion performance. Back in your Google Analytics dashboard, you're now a wizard overlooking your domain. You can see which of your Fiverr campaign links are bringing in the most visitors, which platforms are most effective, and crucially, what those visitors do once they land on your site. Are they subscribing, making purchases? The behavior flow report is particularly fascinating as it lets you visualize the path visitors take through your site. Every click, every scroll tells a story, and understanding that story allows you to tailor your strategies like never before. But the beauty of Google Analytics doesn't stop at just understanding. It's in the tweaking, the testing, the constant refining of your approaches based on real, actionable data. Now I'm curious, what part of analyzing your data excites you the most? Is it understanding user behavior, tracking conversions, or something else entirely? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Imagine stepping into a vast, colorful market where each stall showcases a unique product or service, from captivating graphic designs to cutting-edge digital marketing solutions. Your mission? to discover which of these stalls attracts the most visitors and, more importantly, which ones convince people to make a purchase. This, my friends, is the essence of analyzing conversion rates in the digital marketplace. Conversion rates serve as a powerful magnifying glass, zooming in on the performance of different services. Take, for example, our two contenders, graphic design and digital marketing services. With a conversion rate of 5%, graphic design is like the bustling stall in our market, drawing crowds and compelling nearly 1 in every 20 visitors to make a purchase. On the other hand, digital marketing, with a rate of 2%, has its allure but doesn't quite match the magnetism of its competitor. Now, why do we care about these numbers? Because they guide us in making calculated moves in our digital strategy game. If graphic design services are the star of the show, it's time to turn the spotlight even brighter on them. This could mean reallocating resources like investing more in advertising these services or creating content that highlights the unique value they offer. But here's the real golden nugget of wisdom. Analyzing conversion rates isn't just about applauding the winners. It's also about giving a second chance to the underdogs. Why is digital marketing lagging behind? Is it the way it's presented? Could the packages be more appealing? It's all about tweaking, testing, and transforming until those numbers start climbing. Every percentage point is a clue in unraveling the desires and needs of your audience. It's a game of strategy, precision, and a little bit of magic. And the best part? You're the magician, armed with data and insights to create something truly captivating. Now, I'm curious, have you taken a closer look at your conversion rates? What story are they telling you, and how will you use this knowledge to captivate your audience and turn your services into the stars of the digital marketplace? Share your thoughts, and let's unravel this puzzle together. Imagine you've just crafted the perfect email campaign, catchy subject line, compelling content, and a strong call to action at the end. You're certain this will be the one to skyrocket your engagement rates. But then the results come in, and they're not what you expected. This is where AB testing becomes your best friend. Also known as split testing, it's the process of comparing two versions of a web page, email, or other marketing asset to see which one performs better. Think of it as a scientific experiment for your marketing strategy. You have two versions, A and B, each with just one variation to test. Maybe it's the color of your call to action button, the phrasing of the button text, or the positioning of a product image. You send version A to half of your audience and version B to the other half. Then you analyze which version had a better conversion rate, more clicks, or whichever metric matters most to you. Why is this so important? Well, it removes the guesswork from your marketing efforts. Instead of assuming what your audience prefers, you're letting them show you through their actions. This can lead to significantly higher engagement rates, more efficient ad spending, and ultimately a better return on investment. Plus, ad testing isn't just useful for optimizing emails. It can be applied to virtually any aspect of your digital marketing efforts, landing pages, social media ads, website copy, and more. The key is to change just one element at a time so you can clearly pinpoint what caused the difference in performance. It builds a culture of data-driven decision-making. Instead of relying on hunches or outdated best practices, your strategies evolve based on what's proven to work for your unique audience. And over time, these incremental improvements can lead to massive gains in your marketing effectiveness. Now, think about your last marketing campaign. Did it achieve what you hoped, or was there room for improvement? What elements could you test to see if you can boost its performance?